Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. In this video we are gonna to draw the following drawing. As you can see, it has like two circles and small circles at the corner. So let's go and draw this together. So first of all, I'm gonna to go and choose sketch mode and choose the axis that I want to sketch on and click on the plan view. Now let's make a zoom out and let's start with our drawing. So first of all, and as you can see, the inner circle is has a diameter of 10 millimeter. So I'm gonna to choose circle. I choose the origin point and let's make this 10 millimeter. So as you can see, this is our first, the inner circle, which has a diameter of 10 millimeter. Now the outer circle, it has a diameter of 14 millimeter. So let's draw it. So I choose also the origin as a start point and write 14 millimeter as a diameter. And if you can see, at the corner up, we have a form as a square, which has which is 6 millimeter from the middle to the side edge on each side on this drawing. So in order to do this, I'm gonna to sketch a square for now, then I make the corner with a rounded corner. So let's do this. So first of all, I'm gonna to choose a rectangle, and from rectangle I'm gonna to go to the option down and click on the define rectangle from center. So now I will click the origin, and as you know, we have 6 millimeter to each side, so that's mean 12 millimeter in total. And we click now in tab, so we jump to the other side and write 12 millimeter also. Then we click enter. As you can see, now we have this these corner at this side. I'm gonna for now to remove the extra edge that we have, so I'm gonna to choose from modify the trim feature. Then I'm gonna to remove these extra edges, we don't need them, and also we can actually remove these arcs at this location. So perfect. So for now, as you can see, we don't have this sharp edges here at this corner. We have to make it rounded, and they have a radius of 1 millimeter. So I'm gonna to go to modify again and choose the create rounded corner, and I will click on this edge and move my mouse to the other one and write 1 and then enter. As you can see, we have this smooth rounded corner, which is look much better and similar to that drawing that we have. So let's do this again to the other 3 corners. So I choose this corner, to this one, enter. Also this one, this, and 1. So now we have the corner, and as we already defined the corner, so we have now the origin point for this arc or circle. So we have to now to draw the last things, the small circle at each corner. And in order to do this, we go to create, choose circle. I'm gonna to choose this origin point actually, and it should has 1.2 millimeter as a diameter. So I'm gonna to tip 1.2. So we have now this circle, and we do the same on the other 3 corners. So 1.2, 1.2, and 1.2. So we are finished this drawing for today. So the last things is let's put together right now the dimension on this drawing. So in order to put the dimensions, and as you already know, we go to detail, and from detail you can go directly to dimensions and choose dimensions. As you choose this function, then you click, for example, this outer radius, and it gives us like R1 millimeter. This is the first thing. We have the inner small circle, which has like 1.2 millimeter as a diameter. We have the inner circle, which is 10 millimeter, and we have also the outer circle, which has a 7 millimeter actually. And in order to do this, we can choose the in order to do it as we see on the drawing. So let's choose this point, and I'm going to down click on control and this point also, so or click this edge also the same. So let's click this one actually, so like this, from there to there. So as you can see, we can do it like this simply, so with radius of 7 millimeter, which is like has a 40 millimeter as a diameter. And as you can see now, we did put all the dimensions required to draw this drawing that we have, and we are finished for today. So if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next part of the series, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.